I'm going to take you to a little tour in the orchard. As you can see, those apples on the ground. We are doing some thinning. As you can take this little tour, you can see all those apples spread on the ground. You can see apples. Look. So you have to be careful while walking because you can slip, and if you slide, you can hurt. So I'm just like walking down and watching where I step. As you can see, I'm going towards where the bunches of apples are. They are thin, are delicious. We are giving them like spaces because they are in like bunches, and we give them spaces because these apples, they grow very big and sweet. As you can see, those were delicious up there. Then we have some more bunches and some more thicker bunches. So I'm going to show you a little of what I'm doing in this orchard. As you can see there, many apples on the ground. Many apples. Okay, see, there is the bunch. There is the bunches. You see, those were delicious. They are in lots. They're in bunches, so you have to like thin them out. Those limbs are hanging down. They are under like pressure, so we have to like thin out a couple of them. That's a limb can hold what is on it, because if you leave it like this, these apples gonna get very big and it's gonna break the limb. So watch out what I'm doing. See what I'm doing? I'm like giving them space. These limbs have to take a lot from it because it cannot hold that amount of apple. It will break. These limbs are like hanging down, and they are like a lot of apples on it. So we do it like this. Look, take away that over here, move that. Okay, and that's what we are doing. There's a letter right there. So I'm going to like the down part of the limbs first. After I finish, I just climb up the ladder and thin out the top. See it? Leave one there. Leave one. We leave them like some, we leave them like singles. See, I go up on the ladder. Pick up that, that, look carefully. Single, that, single. See it right there. Single here,